Alright, so we've got question 4F here. Question 4 part A, solve for x exactly the log of x cubed base 4 plus the log of root x base 2 minus 8. Now the first problem I can see here is that it's telling me to solve, and I don't have an equation, so there's nothing to actually solve. But working backwards from the answer, I think you'll find that this is supposed to be log of x cubed base 4 plus log of root x base 2 equals 8. Now we might be a chance to solve it. First thing we don't like here, we have a base of 4 and a base of 2. Clearly that's going to be inconvenient for us to work to. 4 is a power of 2, so if I use my change of base rule on this one, we should find that we can then work in base 2 and get to an answer. So I use my change of base rule, so I've got the log of x cubed, the new base is 2, divided by the log of 4 base 2 plus the log of x to the half. It's usually easier to work with exponents rather than the radical signs, so we do that, and that equals 8. On the bottom there, the log of 4 base 2 we can now rewrite as a number, so I'll just put the equivalent signs down the side here, and I'll use my power law to bring those exponents out the front. So I've got 3 times the log of x base 2. Log of 4 base 2 is 2, because 2 squared is 4. Then I've got plus a half log of x base 2 equals 8. Now we will want to get rid of that denominator because we know that they make our lives more difficult than necessary. So multiplying everything by 2, in the first term the 2's are going to cancel, so I've just got 3 log x base 2. 2 times a half is going to be 1, so this is just the log of x base 2, and 2 eighths is 16. I've got the same terms there, 3 log x base 2 plus another one gives me 4 log x base 2 terms equals 16. We go up to the right here, divide by 4, and I've got the log of x base 2, 16 divided by 2 is 4. And then it's up to you whether you just want to go from Logan to Knack's form. If we do that, we can go x equals 2 to the power of 4, x equals 16. The other alternative, of course, is just to raise each side to the power of 2. So I'd have 2 log of x base 2 equals 2 to the power of 4. The left hand side simplifies to just x, and again we get x equals 16. I'll move on to the next one shortly.